Good morning, students. In chapter 4 Roman numerals, today we discuss about important terms of while writing Roman numerals. Students, in previous video we learned about how to write Roman numeral system. There were different rules and we discussed about that in previous video. In today's video we discuss about important terms while writing Roman numeral system. Okay. So the first point is a symbol of smaller value is placed between two symbol of larger value. That means स्टूडेंट अगर किसी स्मॉलर वैल्यू का कोई सिंबल अगर कोई दो लार्जर वैल्यू के बीच में प्लेस करता है, it is always subtracted from the immediately following symbol of larger value. Then what we have to do? We subtract the smaller value immediately following the symbol of larger value. वो smaller value जो कि immediately follow कर रहा है larger value के साथ, ठीक है, हम उस larger value से उसको subtract करेंगे. So again, if any of the smaller value placed between the two larger value, then this smaller value subtracted from immediately following symbol of larger value. वो immediately जिस larger value को follow कर रहा है, हम उस larger value से इसको subtract करेंगे. So for example, the first one is x1 5. You know this is the value for 10, this is the value for 1 and this is the value for 5. So how we have to write in Indian numeral system? So this is the value for 10. Okay, so write 10 and according to this rule, this is a smaller value and place between two larger value. This is 10 and this is 5. So what we have to do? We subtract 1 from 5. क्योंकि 1 आपको immediately किसको follow कर रहा है? Larger value 5 को. So we subtract 1 from 5. 10 plus 5 minus 1. So what will be the answer? That is 10 plus 5 minus 1, that is 4. So is equal to, that is, this is the value for 14. So just like this, there is another example, CXL. C is the value for 100, X is the value for 10 and L is the value for 50. And you see student, that is 10, this is a smaller value and place between 100 and 50. So we subtract this 10 from 50 because this 10 immediately follow the larger value, that is 50. क्योंकि वो immediately किस value को follow कर रहा है? 50, that is L. So how we have to write this? 100 plus 50 minus 10 equal to 100 plus 50 minus 10, that is 40. So 100 plus 40, that is 140. So student, this is the value for 140. Now another example, that is from your exercise, that is CDL11. C is the value for 100, D is the value for 500, L is the 50 and this is the value for 1. So here C and D, how we have to write this? As rule third, you have to study that if smaller value place left side of the larger value, subtract the smaller value from that larger value. According to rule 3, आपने स्टडी किया हुआ है कि अगर कोई लार्जर वैल्यू है और उसके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में कोई स्मॉलर वैल्यू है तो हम उस स्मॉलर वैल्यू को उस लार्जर वैल्यू से सबट्रैक्ट करेंगे. So how we have to write this? D is the value for 500. 500 and see, that is align left side of the D. So 500 minus 100 plus L is for 50. Okay, and this is 1 plus 1. 50 minus 100, that is 400 plus 50 plus 1 plus 1, that is 52. So this is the value for 452. This way you have to do if any smaller value placed between two larger value. So this way you have to do if there is any question in your exercise. Now another thing that is you have to point while writing the Roman numeral system, that is a symbol repeated up to 3 times. कोई भी सिंबल आपका रोमन नंबर सिस्टम में 3 टाइम्स ही रिपीट होगा एंड ओनली 1, 10 and 100 and 1000 will be repeated. और केवल आपका जो वैल्यू है 1, 10 और C for 100 and M for 1000, केवल इन्हीं की वैल्यू जो है आपकी रोमन न्यूमरल सिस्टम में रिपीट होगी. Now third point, that is VLD. This is the value for 5, this is 50 and this is 500. These three value are never repeated. ये तीनों वैल्यू जो है कभी रिपीट नहीं करेंगे एंड सब्ट्रैक्टेड, और ये तीनों वैल्यू कभी सब्ट्रैक्ट भी नहीं होंगे. ओके. नाउ फोर्थ पॉइंट इज 1 कैन बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम 5 and 10 ओनली. ओके. एज यू सी इन दिस एग्जाम्पल, यहाँ 1 किससे सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रहा है? 5 से. ठीक है. इसी तरह आपका 1 जो है 10 से सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा और किसी वैल्यू से नहीं. ठीक है. नाउ कम ऑन फिफ्थ पॉइंट, दैट इज x, दैट इज 10. 10 कैन बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम L and C only. 10 की जो वैल्यू रोमन न्यूमरल सिस्टम में है, दैट इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम L and C only. And this is your example. Here x subtracted from L. Okay. So 10 subtracted only from L and C only. Now 6th point is C can be subtracted from D and M only. C is the value for 100. That means कि 100 subtracted from 500 and 1000 only. So student, these are the some point that you have to point out while writing Roman numeral system. इन सभी बातों का आप ध्यान रखते हुए, और in the previous video that we have discussed 3 rule, you have to point also that while writing Roman numeral system. ठीक है.